Right back, 44 Magnum. You look good in Honolulu, man. Enjoy the day. 44 Magnum, you have a good day from ModSquad Honolulu. 44 Magnum, ModSquad. 44 Magnum, ModSquad. Mobile, check in. Aloha. Dangerous TBird, ModSquad, right back with you. Also, Dangerous TBird, you enjoy the day. Hello, Dangerous TBird, ModSquad, Honolulu, right back. Dangerous TBird, ModSquad, Honolulu.
I just wanted to wave my hand at you, my friend. They got my old friend, man. 44 Magnum, Mr. TBird, said, howdy, howdy, next time me and you, ModSquad. Do me a favor, just wave the first line. And tell old Magnum, TBird, said, howdy, howdy. Catch you later, boy. Catch you later, ModSquad. Mr. TBird, get down.
Right back, TBird, you said a friendly 5 to 44 Magnum. You said hello. You said let 44 Magnum. You said hello to him in a friendly 5. Hello, TBird, ModSquad. TBird, ModSquad. I'm working the Mobile in Honolulu. Have a good day now.
Yeah, I appreciate it, ModSquad. Mr. TBird, appreciate it, ModSquad. I'll see you, bye.
And I got it all when you said it all, TBird. Got it all. You're doing your thing, man. Take care, TBird, ModSquad, Honolulu. TBird, ModSquad, Honolulu. Check back. Aloha. And I'll catch y'all in ModSquad Mobile. ModSquad Mobile say a bunch of you key, that's for sure. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Catch you later now. I'll see you too there. I'll see you too, ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Catch you later too. Aloha. Undercover pickup truck. Undercover pickup truck. You have a good time too. Undercover in your pickup. ModSquad Honolulu.
Hey, ModSquad. Hey, ModSquad.
306, have a good one. Hello, SwitchBlade. Hello, SwitchBlade. I check with you too there. Take care, SwitchBlade. I check with you too. Aloha. Right there, SwitchBlade. Radio check. Good copy. Good copy, SwitchBlade. Take care, SwitchBlade. It's a good contact. SwitchBlade, it's a good contact. ModSquad, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha. Contact, SwitchBlade. Your driver working, man. Your driver working, SwitchBlade. Have a good one, SwitchBlade. You're working that driver. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu.
Hey, ModSquad.
306, right there, 306. I'll look at you too there, 306. Have a good one, 306, ModSquad. Hello, 306, ModSquad. Right back. Aloha.
Hi, ModSquad. Good to hear you, man.
Got it all in the high desert, man. Got it all in the high desert, 306. Take it, 306 high desert. 306 high desert, ModSquad Mobile, ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Charlie, right there, CharleyChan, right there. CharleyChan, you can check. CharleyChan, ModSquad. CharleyChan, ModSquad, come on.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, ModSquad, I'm just testing. I didn't mean to plug you in, ModSquad, I'm just testing.
Right back with the test. Right back with the test. Right back with the test. Take care, CharleyChan. You have a good one too. CharleyChan, take care with the test. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha.
Aloha, ModSquad. I'll see you later. Hey, ModSquad, have a good evening out there, man. Hey, ModSquad, I'm Charlie, and I'm on my drive. Bye.
Got it all, CharleyChan. Got it all. Take care, CharleyChan. CharleyChan, Mod Squad said, you working it? Hello, CharleyChan. CharleyChan, Mod Squad said, you are working at Mod Squad. Mobile gone. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, I'm checking my conditions. ModSquad, on HammerDown, so I'm checking conditions. ModSquad,
HammerDown right there too, HammerDown. You can check in with your condition right there, HammerDown. HammerDown, Mod Squad. HammerDown, Mod Squad. Have a good one. HammerDown, Mod Squad, Mobile. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, hold on, just say ModSquad. Mr. TBird for a quickie. I said, hello.
TBird, come on, TBird.
Worldwide, ModSquad. Hey, ModSquad. Tell him to talk fast, ModSquad. Quit hollering behind Mr. TBird. It's a man.
Bye, HammerDown. Bye, HammerDown. Y'all take care. TBird. And all the big mans out there, have a good one. Mod Squad in Honolulu. Check in. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, let the boy know I got the slave boy in the middle of the road. Ain't no slave boy gonna be doing nothing but getting locked up. ModSquad, Arthur's out. Boy, laid.
Bye, Arthur. Bye, Arthur. Mod Squad, Arthur. Aloha.
Damn, big slave boy, say aloha.
You working a slave boy. You working a big slave boy. I hear you working that big slave boy. Mod Squad gone now. Aloha.
My ModSquad, I mean, this cat nigga slave boy. My ModSquad, great big old HammerDown, great big slave boy, got down.
HammerDown, the big slave boy. HammerDown, the big slave boy. HammerDown, Mod Squad. HammerDown, Mod Squad. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, I like them VideoGates too, man. Hey, ModSquad, I want to get y'all making YouTube, man. I like the VideoGates on it. ModSquad, great big old HammerDown, big right back.
Hey, big old HammerDown right there, man, because you getting the video gate right now. You are on the gate right now. HammerDown, Mod Squad, Mobile, right back. Aloha.
My ModSquad. Hey, ModSquad, tell him he was on the gate. Tell him that was a past tense. Take care of ModSquad.
Bye, Arthur.
Hey, boy, say aloha.
Right back, HammerDown. HammerDown, watch out for the announcer, man. I heard that that Arthur getting there, man. He be an announcer, man. That Arthur checked in and he made an announcement. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad. I'm gonna get on out of here, ModSquad. I was just messing around on that track. As I drag this Pete out the street, I'll see you.
Okay, Arthur, you take care, man. You too, HammerDown. Y'all have a good time, man. I got it on the VideoGates, so check it out. Check out the new VideoGates when I put it up sometime tonight. Mod Squad Mobile, right back in the mini grass. Have a good day. The little car in Honolulu gone. Aloha.
Gotta give me a chance to see what this Johnson looking like. Hey, ModSquad. Gotta give me a chance to see what I'm working with this Johnson. ModSquad, I'm just up.
You working a Johnson? You working a Johnson? You working a Johnson right there? Mod Squad, Honolulu now.
Hello, ModSquad, around the mini grass. With all power in Georgia. ModSquad, around the mini grass.
Right back, all power in Georgia. All power in Georgia. Mod Squad, Honolulu. All power in Georgia. Mod Squad, Honolulu. I'm looking your way from the mini grass. All power. Look, Mod Squad, right back. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, they go from right
HammerDown, slave boy, all power in Georgia. Y'all have a good time. Mod Squad Honolulu, checked in. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu, right back. Aloha. Right back, light switch, Mod Squad, light switch, Mod Squad. Hello, light switch, Mod Squad, your turn. Aloha. Right there, light switch in the gold. You take here, man, as you work it right there. Light switch in the gold, Mod Squad. Light switch in the gold, Mod Squad. Mobile, check. Aloha.
I just cut his lights off.
HammerDown with the cut. HammerDown, you want to cut some lights off? HammerDown, you want to cut in? HammerDown, Mod Squad. Mod Squad. Aloha.
Hey, Mod Squad, how you gonna do this? Hammer, pick it on. Mod Squad, how you gonna do this? Long down and put it on down. Hammer down.
Bye, light switch.
BB, I got down.
Hey, HammerDown, you take care, man. Keep an eye on light switch, man. Keep an eye on that light switch, too, there. HammerDown, Mod Squad. HammerDown, Mod Squad. Bye.
Hello, man. Bye, Mod Squad. I'll take it on the back of the out here, man. Gonna do what I was doing. Turn it on, Mod Squad. Light switch, Mod Squad. Light switch, the black gold is moving into it.
Light switch right there, light switch, Mod Squad, light switch, Mod Squad, bye. And I'll see you too, bye.